What's going on, curly crew? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're going to learn how to refresh your curly texture hair. And I had probably 4 days. It's been 4 days. I still can feel that there's probably 20% of the cream gel in here, as you guys can see. The texture is there, the coils are there, but what should we do after you're like, okay, we need to refresh it. We need to do something, right, with it, just to take it to the next level and not go right into wash day. Because obviously, guys, a lot of you guys are washing your hair a little too often, and it's all about refreshing until it's actually time to wash and condition your hair once again. So today I'm going to be using our Glow Me Up oil, which is a whole scalp, hair, and body experience, head to toe and everything in between, by the way. And I'm going to use it. It has jojoba oil, which is an oil that actually mimics what we actually produce. It has macadamia oil, it has some ginger in here, and it has obviously our Curl Daddy blend, which smells amazing, right? The great thing about this product, guys, is that I love is that it doesn't give you greasy hair vibes. Obviously, one of the things that I did not like in the beginning of my curly hair journey was the fact that a lot of the products were very heavy, especially the oils, and I would like it would literally break me out, and I'm like, this is a very greaseless. I'm gonna show you guys what it does, right? You guys can see how it's easily absorbed into, that was kind of like a lot. It's literally very, you guys see? It's a very, like, you can see the shine, but it's very chill. It smells amazing. So let's get into it. So curly crew, the thing with oils is that you have to learn how to use oils. You can't do too much or you can't do too little. You kind of have to figure out what your hair loves. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply some to my palm, right? You're going to apply some to the palm and you're going to mix it in and go really into the hair, right? Focus on the hair and the ends of the hair, right? And apply some of it. Massage your scalp a little bit. Focus on the ends, right? And then what we're going to do is that we're going to now take it and apply a little bit more, but we're going to literally take these apart one by one. Actually, it doesn't take a long time. Just do it one by one. And we're going to use our best friend here, which is our pick, to style it. But we're going to just take this to the next level. So guys, here you're going to take the finger coils and open the finger coil and just let it be, and then do the same thing and let it be, and then do the same thing and let it be, right? Actually, you can just apply a little bit more oil, but you see it's opening up as we go. Pick and really open up and give it some shape. Obviously, depending on your haircut, it's gonna look way different. So we're just going to take it from the root, lift, and style. We are finally done. Obviously, the hair looks a bit more open. There's still definition, a lot more texture, because obviously I picked it up and I styled it. And it's definitely going to look different depending on your haircut and depending, obviously, on your hair texture. And remember, guys, I do have the Hold Me cream gel in there from a few days back. So there were still some of that product lingering in the hair. I felt it. So the oil was just a refresher that I used, and the pick to really give it some shine, still make it look natural, not too perfect, guys. I think that we are sometimes a little obsessed with making the hair look perfect, when with curly hair, curly textured hair, coily hair, wavy hair, it is all about really enhancing what you already have. And this is just another way to rock it without you having to wash your hair too often. Just a little bit of oil, right? Really go into your hair, pay close attention to your ends, right? And just open up the finger coils and pick, just style it as you would like it to look. Obviously, I did kind of go into the shape, and you guys can see that I can definitely rock this for probably another day without even have to go to wash day, right? Hope this was helpful for you guys. Make sure to obviously follow and check us out at curldaddy.com. All right, guys, be safe, take care, and remember to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. Peace and love.